Why are you crying? Where is your mama? What happened?
Help! Please, come quickly. The giant catfish has swallowed the leopard. Hurry!
Don't worry, we're sending our rescue team immediately. Please send us your location so we can reach you as fast as possible.
This is Control. We have an emergency.
Immediate response required. Move now.
Go, go, go! Activate lockdown protocol. I need eyes on the target now.
Control, confirming perimeter breach in Sector Quattro. Dispatching air units immediately.
Will you marry me? Hurry up, get ready. Your mission is to reach the site immediately. Move fast and stay alert. How much longer on that mixture?
Almost done. Securing the last packet now.
The target is approaching the dam wall. We are running out of time.
Right there, secure that rod. Got it. Fusing now.
All right, bring her back slow. Hold it right there. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Clear on the left. Keep it coming. Hold it steady. All right, bring it forward. Watch the sparks. Locking clamps engaged.
Eagle 1, this is Control. What's your status overwatch?
Control, we are in position. Systems online, acquiring target lock. Target acquired, northeast sector.
Copy that. Moving into position.
All teams, stand by for deployment.
Status report.
Trailer secure, Captain. We're ready for transfer.
Good. Let's move immediately.
Listen carefully. The giant monster fish is right here in this water. Be ready and stay alert. The giant monster fish is right here in this water. Be ready and stay alert. Lowering now, watch the hydraulics.
Keep tension on those lines.
Steady, steady, almost there. Engage the hydraulics. We need that net down faster. Engaging now. Stand clear of the ropes. Keep the feed coming, steady pace.
Oh!
It's moving towards the net. Get ready.
Pull it in now.
All right, pull on my mark.
Ready, heave!
Ropes tight on this side.
Pull, harder!
Almost there, keep it steady.
Heave!
Is the head secure? Yeah, it's holding tight. Check the tension on the main line now. Is it still alive? We need to act fast. We need to act quickly to save it.
Injecting now.
Blue effect is spreading. Vitals stabilizing on the scan.
All right, easy now. Pull slowly.
I've almost got her shoulder.
Watch the tail. Keep that net secure.
Okay, gently now.
Watch the back foot.
Clear the door. Push it in. Keep it steady.
Almost there. Watch the step.
Vitals are dropping. Move faster.
Just relax. Everything is going to be all right. You're in good hands now.
There you go, nice and warm. Everything is going to be all right. This feels nice, doesn't it? Just relax, Mama Leopard. You're safe now.
A young leopard was caught by a large fish
Thank you
while
for
drinking
cooperating.
at the river, struggling to escape. The rescue team arrived just in time, carefully freeing the leopard and making sure it was safe. Once free,
बहुत बढ़िया काम
the
किया
leopard
तुमने।
ran to safety, healthy and unharmed. This story teaches us that courage, quick thinking,
If you enjoyed
and
this video,
teamwork can
don't
save
forget to
lives,
subscribe to the
even
channel
in the
and
most
share your thoughts in the
unexpected
comments below.
dangers.
It's okay, little one. You're safe inside now.
Mama Fox is sick. You need to come quickly for rescue.
Her signal is weakening near the ridgeline.
I see it. Sending the updated vector to the ground team now. Time is critical.
We're losing daylight. The fox is stable but exposed.
Rerouting the northern team. They'll approach from the ridge.
Confirmed. Sending revised coordinates now.
Head southwest, coordinates locked. We have to reach the fox den before dark.
Moving as fast as possible.
Weather looks clear past the ridge. Copy that. Moving to the target zone.
ETA 10 minutes. Target acquired. Bearing 290.
Copy that. Initiating descent sequence.
Stand by for deployment.
Landing zone compromised, but we're going in.
I'm deploying now with the medical kit. Keep the rotors hot.
We are going ahead. Take us to your mama.
Keep moving. She's leading us somewhere. Stay focused. Watch your footing.
A mama fox and her baby were trapped and
warm.
scared. The rescue team arrived just in time, carefully freeing them and guiding them to safety. The mother fox watched her baby closely, relieved and safe. This story shows us that teamwork, courage, and kindness can protect even the most vulnerable, and that every life, big or small, is precious.